If you're still using the older Trader's Second Brain Notion template and want to move into Migrating OS, this is the cleanest way to do it. Here's the older TSB template. The trades inside this trading journal are the trades we're moving into the new system. And here's the old setups database. We want those setup records to carry over as well. The new Migrating OS template is available through Complete Template Access inside your TSB account. Once it opens, make sure to duplicate it into your own Notion workspace. For the cleanest migration, start with a fresh copy of Migrating OS and remove the demo data first. That means clearing the demo trades from the new trade log and removing the demo setups if you do not plan to use them. In this example, the trades inside TSB app are also cleared first, just to show the migration on a clean system. If you already have the correct trades in the app, this step is optional. If Notion was already connected before, it's best to disconnect it and start clean. If your setup is already fresh, you can skip that step. When reconnecting Notion, make sure to give access to both templates, the older Trader's Second Brain template and the new Migrating OS template. That gives TSB access to the old data source and the new destination at the same time. If the full list of databases does not appear right away, just refresh the list and let Notion finish loading. The first database to select is the old trading journal. This is where TSB reads the older trades from. Once the old journal is selected, save the field mapping and give it a moment to sync. Depending on how many trades you have, this can take a few minutes. Once that looks good, start the migration. Now the new database is selected, this time the new trade log inside Migrating OS. This tells TSB where the migrated trades should be written. After saving the new mapping, the actual migration can begin. First, migrate the setup library. This brings over setup names, links, and most setup fields into the new template. One thing to keep in mind: images and rich media inside older setup pages may not transfer perfectly, so those may need to be added manually later. After that, push all trades into the new template. This rebuilds the full journal inside Migrating OS. Once that finishes, the new trade log and the new setup structure are ready. The final step is reconnecting Notion one more time and leaving only Migrating OS connected, so the app works only with the new template going forward. At the end, it's a good idea to test the connection by creating one new trade from inside TSB app. You can also see that P&L can calculate automatically, and push to Notion is already enabled. If you enter an exit price, make sure you also enter an exit date. Then save the trade. Now the trade appears inside the new Notion journal, the fields are filled in, and the formulas inside the new template are working correctly. At this point, the migration is complete, and you can continue using Migrating OS as your new main TSB system.